Are you recently retired or nearing retirement? What do you think is the biggest threat to your retirement savings today? Well, David Lucas with David Lucas Financial is joining us to answer that question. So, David, what is the big threat to our retirement savings right now?
Hey, Ansley, good to be here as always. Yeah, most people think the biggest threat to their retirement savings right now is, well, let's say inflation. Of course, that's on everybody's mind, or potentially a pending recession. But the biggest threat is something that some of your viewers may not be talking about right now, and it's called sequence of returns risk. And I'll explain to your viewers quickly how this works. So if you retire during a strong economy and the stock market is growing, of course, the wind is at your back. And as the saying goes, a rising tide floats all boats, right? But when you sell your investments to pay for your retirement, your nest egg is still growing because the stock market is going up. It keeps going up. But now imagine for a moment the opposite is happening. Imagine there's an extreme stock market's volatility. We've had a little bit of that lately. And so the stock market is going down. You still have to, if you're retiring, you still have to sell your investments to pay for your expenses in retirement. But now you're selling these investments at a lower price. And here's the point that's important for your viewers to understand, Ansley. If the stock market is falling during the first few years of your retirement, it could have a devastating long-term financial consequences for your nest egg. And there was a recent research study done on this. And in fact, they found that if the stock market is falling during the first few years of your retirement, you could unfortunately end up with 2/3 less money for the rest of your life. So retiring during a down market, when the stock market is down, could be a recipe to run through your entire life savings far too soon.
Oh, no, nobody wants to hear that, David. Oh, no. So, what is the best counsel then that you can give our viewers today?
Yeah, Ansley, this hasn't been on anyone's radar for more than a decade because we're just coming off the longest bull market in the history of the stock market. But now, for the first time in many years, this is a really big problem for the next wave of retirees. And so sequence of returns risk is a big problem, but unfortunately, it's not the only problem we're dealing with right now. We also have highest inflation in over 40 years. Prices on everything have gone up significantly, and it doesn't look like that's going to, in my assessment, is going to go away anytime soon. And we believe the next shoe to drop could be higher taxes. I mean, I think it's no secret our national debt is at a record-breaking $31 trillion. And many economists are saying, hold on to your hat because we could be paying higher taxes in the near future. And so I think your question was, Ansley, to answer your question, what's the best counsel or what could we give your viewers today? Ansley, if you try to grow your retirement savings today, there's risk everywhere you turn. Investing in the stock market right now, of course, for a lot of people, they feel like it's a big gamble. And even if you put your money in the bank, of course, you're losing money when you consider the impact of inflation. So you have to be really careful here. And most people don't think about this, but one of the safest and fastest ways you could grow your nest egg right now is by reducing your taxes in retirement. And so that's why I wanted to offer something special for your viewers today. You can learn exactly how much money you could save in taxes when you retire with our free retirement tax savings analysis.
Yeah, go ahead and explain how that works.
Absolutely, Ansley. Sure. Once we get some basic information from you, and then we're going to determine the tax saving strategies that are best suited for your specific situation. Then we'll simply sit down and share with your viewers what these strategies are so you can see exactly how much money you could save in taxes when you retire. And I want to point out to your viewers, it's not uncommon for us to uncover tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars in tax savings. But it's important not to wait because some of these strategies could end before the end of the year. So I believe we have a short window of opportunity to take action right now. And I want to point out briefly, our strategies are best suited for people who have saved at least $350,000 for retirement. So to schedule your free retirement tax savings analysis, your viewers can simply call us now, 501-222-9981. Listen, we do all the heavy lifting, and we don't charge anything. This is we fully underwrite the cost of this, but we're only going to make this offer available for your viewers who call today. That number one more time is 501-222-9981.
Okay, as always, David, thank you so much for joining.
Pleasure.
We'll have more Good Morning Arkansas after the break.
Thank you.